Tapos ang maliit na lang.
Ang isang maliit, isang triangle na normal size.
No one.
Hey, you pick somebody!
Choose mo na bago mawala ka. Choose mo na bago mawala ka na yung isa.
I'm not sure who will buy it.
The reason that I gave this, alisin mo nga ito, nakakasira ng speech eh. I give this to someone because pag sinabi ko yung reason, alam na.
Hindi. Alam na.
Ano?
Pinag-uwisa na.
Walang iiyak ah. Walang iiyak ah. Walang samaan ng loob. Condition lang ito. Walang samaan ng loob to your mind ah. I give this to that someone because up until now, the relationship of the family is okay. Okay? And she, my she is the right now, beside God, she is the center of the family. So, sorry, Mom, I will give this to Hermione. I give this to Hermione because there's a lots of time that there's a pagsubok mo sa English. Misunderstanding. But because of Hermione, the family is still okay. So, Hermione is the center, beside God, center of the family, center of the bed, center of the family. So, I choose Hermione. I love Mom 100 times, but I choose Hermione. Because I love Mom. Because look, the daughter is the heaven and earth.
Oh yeah, that's real.
And Mom is the...
Ano yun? Heaven and earth na yung bata. Ano kaya ako?
Yung lagpas sa heaven, Mom.
I forgot.
Baka lumagpas ka sa heaven ka nila, di ba? So ikaw yun.
Oo yun?
Oo. Di ba sabi ni Dad, sinasabi niya, baka lumagpas ka na yung langit no ko na. Ikaw yun. Ikaw yung lugar na yun.
Ah, okay.
Nasa lap.
Thank you, Dada. Uy.
Nasa lap.
Because, but Hermione, don't forget that I love Mom first. Yeah. Without Mom, you're not here anymore.
Dada, take me first.